The Komatsu D61XI24 is a state-of-the-art crawler dozer designed for maximum efficiency, precision, and reliability. Built to meet the demanding needs of construction, forestry, and mining industries, this machine integrates advanced technology with robust engineering to deliver exceptional performance in various applications. Its Tier 4 final engine ensures compliance with the latest emissions regulations while maintaining excellent power output and fuel efficiency. The engine delivers optimal performance by adjusting automatically to workload demands, reducing fuel consumption and operating costs without compromising productivity. A standout feature of the D61XI24 is its intelligent machine control system, which revolutionizes grading efficiency. This fully integrated technology automates blade control, enabling the machine to perform rough dozing and finish grading with minimal operator input. The system incorporates advanced sensors and GPS technology, ensuring precise blade positioning, reducing material waste, and eliminating the need for traditional grade stakes. This innovation not only enhances accuracy but also significantly reduces job completion time. The hydrostatic transmission system offers smooth and responsive operation, providing excellent traction and maneuverability across various terrains. Its low ground pressure design makes it ideal for work in environmentally sensitive areas, minimizing soil disturbance while maintaining stability and performance. The undercarriage is designed for durability and longevity, featuring reinforced components that withstand harsh conditions and heavy use, reducing maintenance costs and extending the machine's life cycle. The operator's cab is ergonomically designed with comfort and functionality in mind. It features a spacious interior, advanced climate control, and a high back seat with adjustable settings to reduce operator fatigue during long workdays. The intuitive control panel displays critical information at a glance, enabling operators to monitor machine performance easily. Advanced monitoring systems provide real-time diagnostics and maintenance alerts, ensuring optimal performance and reducing unplanned downtime. The D61XI24's blade design is optimized for versatility and efficiency. The large blade capacity allows for higher productivity during material handling, while the blade's angle and tilt capabilities ensure precise grading even on uneven surfaces. The machine's robust construction ensures it can handle demanding tasks, from heavy excavation to fine grading. Maintenance and serviceability are priorities in the D61XI24's design. The machine features easy access to critical components, reducing downtime for routine checks and repairs. Its efficient cooling system and extended oil change intervals further contribute to reduced operating costs and increased machine availability. Komatsu's KOMTRAX telematics system provides operators and fleet managers with detailed machine data, enabling proactive maintenance planning and performance optimization. This dozer is designed to deliver outstanding performance while prioritizing environmental sustainability. Its advanced engine technology reduces emissions, and the intelligent machine control system minimizes resource waste, making it a forward-thinking choice for modern construction projects. The Komatsu D61XI24 combines cutting-edge technology, durability, and operator-focused features to meet the demands of challenging job sites. Its innovative design and intelligent systems provide unmatched precision and efficiency, ensuring it remains a top choice for industries that require reliable and high-performing equipment.